Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Now release it. 1, 2, 3. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. Now release it. 1, 2, 3. One last time. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Release it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I honor the God in me. I honor the God in me. I am grounded. I am supported. I am on the right path. I have faith in my journey. I am exactly where I need to be. Breathe that in. Release it. I am confident in my sexuality. Together with the most divine being, I have the ability to create the life of my dreams. I experience unending joy in my life. My life is pleasurable. Breathe that in. Release it. I give myself power by trusting my intuition. Power is in the now. I take my power back. I am safe and I am free. I am beautiful. I am confident. I am powerful. I know my worth. I am valuable. I am valuable. Breathe that in. Release it. I have a big heart. My kindness is a strength. I allow myself to love and be loved. I allow myself to love and be loved. I deserve healthy relationships. I deserve healthy relationships. I send healing to all of my friendships and romantic relationships. I deserve love in its purest form. I am love in its purest form. Breathe that in. Release it. I know my truth. I know my truth. I am unafraid to speak my truth. With every decision that I make, I live in my truth. With every decision that I make, I live in my truth. I am confident and unashamed of my truth. I am confident and unashamed of my truth. My truth sets me free. Breathe that in. Release it. For the good of all and am to none, money flows to me. For the good of all and am to none, money flows to me. I understand how money works. Money is attracted to me. I always have more than enough. I always have more than enough. Money is energy and it flows to me freely. Money is energy and it flows to me freely. Breathe that in. Release it. I see beyond the realms of now. I see beyond the realms of now. I have clarity on my vision. I always have clarity on my mission. I am divinely open to guidance. I am divinely open to guidance. I have a clear vision and I trust the voice of my gods. I have a clear vision and I trust my intuition. Breathe that in. Release it. I am connected to the most divine being. I am connected to the most divine being. I am loved, supported, and protected by a lots and lots of angels. I have angels and guides supporting and showing me love. I am connected to the most divine being. I live a life of full awareness that I am